Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to tune Bush TV UK. Press menu. Scroll to settings. Scroll to installation, then press OK. Scroll to automatic channel scan, then press OK. Scroll to the desired connection, then press OK. Scroll to Yes, then press OK. Scroll to the desired option, then press OK. The TV will scan for available channels. When the scan is complete, press OK. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.